Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to connect OTG adapter or OTG pen drive in Redmi Note 11 as smartphone. Before we start the video, register to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So this one is a OTG adapter, this one is a normal pen drive. So I insert the pen drive to the OTG adapter now. Then insert this setup to the phone. Wait for a few seconds. The pop-up will be come. You can see the pop-up now come. You need to click on explore. Now you can see the all files in the pen drive. If you want to copy any file from the pen drive, you need to click on that, then choose more, then click copy, then choose internal storage, then paste. So after you using the pen drive, you need to eject before removing that. So you need to click on eject. Wait for a few seconds. Now it will be displayed the safely ejection. Now you can remove the pen drive. Otherwise, it will damage the pen drive or phone. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.